In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw funds from Deriv using Deriv P2P or peer-to-peer. So yesterday I tried withdrawing money from Deriv using peer-to-peer and the process was smooth and was fast. It only took of about 7 minutes. Okay, so it's better than having to wait for a withdrawal to be processed by Deriv, which sometimes takes 24 hours to 48 hours. So this is why I've decided to make a tutorial to show you how you can do it. So the first thing you have to do is simply click on Deriv P2P. So if you don't know what this is simply where you buy and sell or exchange Deriv dollars with people from your country. Then they get to send you via payment methods such as mobile money or even in person if possible. Okay, so if I go to what you have to do, like to make use of Deriv P2P, I think your account needs to be verified. Yeah, I think that's when you can be able to do that. So what you have to do is you have to look at the rates and you have to choose which rate seems good. Okay, so as you can see, so $1 is equals to 19.5. so let me try to check for something not that too much. Okay, so I'm trying to sell my Deriv funds, so I can sell them. I think the lowest rate I'm finding is 18.04. okay, so let me click on sell US dollars. Okay, so now here is the most important part. Before you enter the amount of dollars you're selling, you're willing to exchange, you first have to contact this person and find out if they do really have cash for the dollars you're selling, just in case to avoid future problems whereby maybe you send a lot of dollars and the person does not have enough money equivalent to what you've sent. So let me just call this person right now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, okay, I'm going to record the screen. So let me just write this number. This is 0977 783 175. Okay, so let's call the person.
Hello?
Good morning.
Morning, thanks, how are you?
I'm good.
Okay.
Yeah, I would like to sell $30 from Deriv.
Alright, you can go ahead.
Alright, let me do so.
Sure, no problem. Alright.
Okay, so I've just done that. So let me just now enter the amounts I'm selling. Okay, so you have to enter in your payment methods. As for me, I already added my payment method, which is Airtel Money, and I've added my phone number. So let me just add the amount I'm selling of about $30, and based on this rate I'm going to receive of about 541 kwacha. So my contact details, I'm simply going to write my number again. Okay, and going to write my name. Okay, so let me just click on confirm. So now the remaining stage is just wait for the money to come. Okay, so let me just wait for the money to reach me. So let me just text him that I've actually sent. Okay, so once I receive the funds, what I'll need to do is, okay, so he has replied okay. So let's wait a little more longer. Okay, so here's the notification. Okay, so I've received 541 from Salim Costa, so the money has reached. So as you can see, this process is very fast. Okay, and it's taken less than 5 minutes, I'm sure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on I've received payment. Okay, yeah, so let me just double check again. Okay, so I'm going to release the $30 because I've received them. Okay, so it's done. So this is how you actually withdraw via peer-to-peer. So it's actually faster. It also depends with the person you are selling the dollars to. So by the way, I'm not recommending this person. It's just that it's the same person I used to withdraw yesterday, and that's why I've decided to use him again. So yeah, so you can give it a try and let me know how it works. Okay, by the way, you can only withdraw using peer-to-peer from people from your country. So make sure that you just call them before you make the transfer to find out if they have the cash, and also you need to find out how long they're going to take for them to process the funds to you. Okay, so this is it about today's video. If you learned something from it, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe.